Have you ever wondered just why you get thirsty? Well, it's because neurons in your OVLT are detecting changes in your bloodstream, which detect global changes within your body. And in response to that, your OVLT sets off certain events within your brain and body that make you either want to drink more fluid or to stop drinking fluid. Osmotic thirst has to do with the concentration of salt in your bloodstream. So let's say you ingest something very, very salty. Let's say you ingest, a big bag of, I confess I don't eat these very often, but I really like those kettle potato chips. And I don't have too much shame about that because I think I have a pretty healthy relationship to food and I enjoy them. And I understand that it will drive salt levels up in my bloodstream and that will cause me to be thirsty. Because neurons in the OVLT come in two main varieties. One variety senses the osmolarity of the blood. And when the osmolarity, meaning the salt concentration in the blood, is high, it activates these specific neurons in the OVLT. And by activates, I mean it causes them to send electrical potentials, literally send electrical signals to other brain areas. And those other brain areas inspire a number of different downstream events. The consequence of that communication is that a particular hormone is eventually released from the posterior pituitary. So from the pituitary, there's a hormonal signal that's released called vasopressin. Vasopressin also goes by the name antidiuretic hormone. And antidiuretic hormone has the capacity to either restrict the amount of urine that we secrete or, when that system is turned off, to increase the amount of urine that we secrete. So there's a complicated set of cascades that's evoked by having high salt concentration in the blood.